Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC 2023 Maths optional question. Here in the question, find the triple integral which gives the volume of the solid enclosed between the two paraboloids. And the paraboloids are given by z is equal to 5 bracket x square plus y square and z is equal to 6 minus 7x square minus y square. Let's solve the problem. Given paraboloid is z is equal to 5x square plus y square and z is equal to 6 minus 7x square minus of y square. We can also write the first parabola, that is 5x square plus 5y square. We have to draw the given paraboloids, that is this is O. First paraboloid is the paraboloid, that is 5x square plus 5y square, and this is z is equal to 6 minus 7x square minus of y square. First we have to find the first we have to find the intersection of the given paraboloid, that is 5x square plus 5y square is equal to 6 minus 7x square minus of y square. From here, taking minus of 7x square and minus of y square into left hand side, that is 5x square plus of 5y square plus of 7x square plus of y square is equal to 6. From here, that is 5x square plus 7x square, that is 12 of x square, and 5y square plus y square, that is 6y square is equal to 6. Taking common 6, that is x square, that is 2x square plus y square is equal to 6. From here, 6 to 6 is cancelled out and the remaining is 2x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the elliptic cylinder on intersection of the given paraboloid. We have to write here, that is we have to draw also. This is elliptical cylinder, that is 2x square plus y square is equal to 1. From here we have to find the limit of the, that is when put y is equal to 0, then 2x square is equal to 1 and x is equal to plus minus of 1 upon root 2. We can also find, that is limit of y square, it is y square is equal to 1 minus 2x square, and from here that is y is equal to plus minus of 1 minus 2x square. In the given equation, we have to find the volume of the enclosed between the two paraboloids. and the volume is given by triple integration of dx, dy and dz. Here the limit of z is the given paraboloids and the limit of y is this plus minus of under root 1 minus 2x square, and the limit of x is plus minus 1 upon root 2. We have to put the limit, that is on putting the limit that is of x, that is minus of 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2, and the limit of y is minus of under root 1 minus 2x square and plus of under root 1 minus 2x square, and the limit of z is given by the paraboloid, that is 5x square plus 5y square and 6 minus 7x square minus y square, that is dx, dy and dz. First we have to integrate with respect to z, that is minus of 1 upon root 2 and plus of 1 upon root 2 and minus of under root 1 minus 2x square and plus of 1 minus 2x square on integration of dz, that is z, putting the limit of z, that is lower limit is 5x square plus 5y square and the upper limit is 6 minus 7x square minus of y square dx dy. We have to further solve, that is volume is equal to minus of 1 by root 2 and plus of 1 by root 2 and minus of under root 1 minus 2x square and plus of under root 1 minus 2x square. Applying the limit, first we have to apply the upper limit, that is 6 minus 7x square minus of y square. Then we have to apply the lower limit, that is minus of 5x square and minus of 5y square dx dy. We have to solve, that is volume is equal to integration of minus 1 upon root 2 and 1 by root 2 and the integration of minus of under root 1 minus 2x square and plus of 1 minus 2x square. From here, that is minus of 7x square and minus of 5x square, that is minus of 12x square, that is minus of 12x square, and here is minus of y square and minus of 5y square, that is minus of 6y square, and here is the 6 already present, that is 6 dx dy. Further we have to solve, we have to the limit of x and y, we have to half of the limit, we change into half of the limit. When changing limit of x and y half of the limit, that is 2 times for x and 2 times for y, that is 2 into 2, 0 to 1 upon root 2 and 0 to 1 minus 2x square. This is 6 minus 12x square and minus of 6y square dx dy. We have to integrate with respect to y, that is 4 integration of 0 to 1 by 2 and integrating with respect to y, that is 6y minus of 12x square y, and here is minus of 6 into y cube upon 3. Putting the limit of y, that is 0 to under root of 1 minus 2x square dx. Further we have to solve, that is volume is equal to 4 integration of 0 to 1 upon root 2, and here is taking 6 and 12 into 1 bracket, that is taking 6y common, that is 1 minus 2x square, and from here is 3 to the 6, that is minus of 2y cube, minus of 2y cube, 0 to 1 minus 2x square dx. Putting the limit, we have to put the limit, that is volume is equal to 4 of integration of 0 to 1 minus 2x square, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, on applying upper limit, that is in place of y, that is 6 into under root of 1 minus 2x square, and already in bracket is 1 minus 2x square, minus of 2, and place of y we have to put 1 minus 2x square, that is under root of 1 minus 2x square का whole cube dx. Further we have to solve, once again 6y taking common, once again, that is volume is equal to taking, once again, 4 integration of 0 to 1 by root 2, and 6 under root of 1 minus 2x square, that is 1 minus 2x square की power 1 by 2 into 1 minus 2x square, that is written as the power is, the base are same and power is add, that is 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2. We have to write, that is 1 minus 2x square की power 3 by 2, and minus of 2, and here is under root of, that is 1 minus 2x square की power 1 by 2 into 3, that is 1 minus 2x square की power 3 by 2 dx. Further we have to take a common, once again the power are same, we have to minus, from here, that is v is equal to 4 of integration of 0 to 1 upon root 2, and from here is 6 minus 2 is 4, that is 4, and 1 minus 2x square की power 3 by 2 dx. From here we can also write, that is 4 taking common, that is 16, and 0 to 1 upon root 2, and here is 1 minus 2x square की power 3 by 2. From here we have to solve, let x is equal to 1 upon root 2 sin theta. When taking x is equal to 1 upon root 2 sin theta, we have a formula that on squaring, that is x square, that is 1 upon 2 sin square theta. On putting, that is root 2 to 2 is cancelled out and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. We have to get formula, that's why we have to choose x is equal to 1 upon root sin theta. Then we have to find d theta, it is dx is equal to 1 upon root 2 and the integration of sin x is cos theta d theta. We have to put the value of dx here, that is volume is equal to 16, and we can also change the limit from here, that is when putting x is equal to 0 then theta is equal to pi by 2. One second. When putting here x is equal to 0, that is when putting, we have to find limit. When put x is equal to 0 then theta is equal to 0, then we have to put x is equal to 1 upon root 2, then x is equal to 1 upon root 2, that is 1 upon root 2 is equal to 1 upon root 2 sin theta. From here, that is we have to find theta is equal to pi by 2. Put the limit, that is 0 to pi by 2. Here is 1 minus 2. In place of x square we have to put 1 by 2 sin square theta की whole power 3 by 2, and in place of dx we have to put in place of dx, that is 1 upon root 2 cos theta d theta. Further we have to solve, that is volume is equal to 16 and 0 to pi by 2, and from here, that is 2 to 2 is cancelled out and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. When taking into bracket, that is cos square theta, that is cos cube theta, and here is 1 by root 2 is taking common out, that is, and cos theta is already present, cos theta d theta. Further we have to solve. That is volume is equal to 16 upon root 2 integration of 0 to pi by 2, and here is cos cube theta and cos theta, that is cos की power 4 theta d theta. From here we have to use cosine Wallis formula first, and if you don't know cosine Wallis formula, we can also use the formula, that is beta gamma function. Once again, first from here we have to solve two methods. First, we know that 0 to pi by 2 sin p theta cos q theta is equal to gamma p plus 1 by 2 and gamma q plus 1 by 2 upon 2 gamma p plus q plus 2 by 2. We can also use this formula to further proceed the given problem, and we have to also know the cosine Wallis formula, that is cosine Wallis formula, that is if 0 to pi by 2 and cos n theta d theta, if n is even, in according to the question, if n here is the even, so we have to form the formula, that is 1 2 3 and n minus 1 upon 2 4 6 n into pi by 2. We can use this formula. If you don't know the formula of beta gamma function, we have to use this formula first. Then from here, that is volume is equal to 16 upon root 2, and putting in place of n, we have to put 4 here, that is 1 by 2 into 135. Once again, so odd 135 here, some mistake is happened. That is 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 into 5 by 6. Once again, 135,246, that is, and in place of n minus 1, that is, in place of n, that is 4, that is minus of 3 by 4, and pi by 2 is already present. Once again, 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, 5 by 6, and putting the value of n, that is 4 minus 3, 3 by 4. From here we have to cancel out some, that is 4 is 16, and once again, when n is even function, that is 1 3 5 2 4 6, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 6, and we have to put the value of n, that is n minus 1, that is 4 minus 3, that is 3 by 4 into pi by 2. Further we have to solve 4 4 is 16, and 4 to 4 is cancelled out, and the remaining is 3 5 is 15, 15 3 is 45, 45 pi upon, here is 2 4 is 2 2 is 4, 4. Once again, we have to take 135, but we have to take a two digit, that is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into pi by 2. From here, that is 4 4 is 16 is cancelled out, and remaining 4 is also cancelled out, that is 3 3 is 9. One second, some mistake is 135 formula is some misprint. We have to take only, once again, first and last term, that is 1 by 2, once again 16 upon root 2, and we have to use cosine Wallis formula, that is 1 by 2 into, when putting n in place of n, we have to put 4, that is 3 by 4 into pi by 2. From here, that is 4 4 is 16, and 4 to 4 is cancelled. Once again, 4 to 4 is cancelled out, that is, and the remaining answer is 3 pi upon root 2. We can also solve by beta gamma function. We have to must remember the formula of cosine Wallis formula, that is for 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 theta d theta, the value is 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into pi by 2, that is 3 pi upon 16. We have to remember. And for another, this is the required solution of the given problem, and we have to solve by another method, that is 0 to pi by 2. Here is the function of sine is 0, then we have to put volume is equal to 16 upon root 2. Using the formula beta gamma function, we can also find the same answer, that is gamma of p plus 1 by 2. Here is p is 0, that is 1 by 2, and here q is 4, that is 4 plus 1, that is gamma of 5 by 2 upon 2 gamma. P is 0 here, and q is 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, that is 3 gamma 3. We have to solve, that is 16 upon root 2, and gamma of 1 by 2 is written as pi. We have to put the value of pi, and we can, gamma 5 by 2 is written as 1 plus 1 by, once again 1 plus 2 by 3. Sorry, once again 3 by 2. We can also write gamma 5 by 2, that is 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2, and from here, that is 2 into gamma 3 is written as 3 into 2 into 1. From here, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 4 is 16, then the volume is 4 pi upon root 2, and we have to solve 4 pi upon root 2, and we can also write here 3 is remaining, and we can also use the formula gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Then from here, that is, we can also write 3 by 2, once again 1 plus 1 gamma 1 plus n is equal to n gamma n. Though using the formula, it is 3 by 2 gamma 3 by 2. We can also further proceed, that is volume is equal to 4 pi upon root 2, and we can write, that is 3 by 2, and already denominator in 3, that is 3 to 3 is cancelled out, and the remaining is gamma of 3 by 2. We can also write, that is volume is equal to 4 pi upon root 2, and here is upon 2, and gamma 3 by 2 is written as 1 plus 1 by 2. Again using the formula gamma 1 plus n, that is n gamma n. From here, that is 4 pi upon 2 root 2, and from here is into 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. From here, that is, once again 4 pi upon 4 root 2. We can also take in denominator, and gamma 1 by 2 is written as root pi, gamma 1 by 2 is written as root pi. So from here, we have to the value 4 to 4 is cancelled out, then the remaining is pi upon root 2. pi upon root 2. Answer is some different once again. When applying, that is gamma of 1 by 2 and gamma of 4 plus 1 5 by 2 and 2 gamma, p is 0, that is 4 plus 2 is 6 and gamma is 3. Further we have to write, that is 16 upon root 2. Gamma 1 by 2 is written as root pi, and we can also write 5 by 2, that is 1 plus 3 by 2, and 2 is already present and gamma 3 is written as 3 into 2 into 1. From here, that is 4 pi, 4 root pi, and we can also use the formula gamma 1 plus n is equal to n gamma n. So we have to write 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2, and here is 2 to 2 cancel out. 2 to 2 is cancelled once again. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 16, and the remaining is 3. 3, so 3 is already written. Further we have to solve 4 pi upon root 2 and 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into gamma root 3 is cancel out. 3 to 3 is cancel out, then 4 pi upon root 2 and 2 is also here, that is 2, and gamma 3 by 2 is written as 1 plus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 in gamma 1 by 2, that is 1 upon 4. This is root pi, this is root pi into pi, that is 4. 4 to 4 is cancel out, then pi by 2.